If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our APT video update. The last time that I made the videos for you for APT was, APT could potentially be looking for, $20 per coin, and that's from $13 right here. That could be actually a nice good 53% move up. So we're pretty much doing an amazing movement for APT. I'm still quite positive about the coin. And before I tell you, there's something I want to talk about. But before that, let's dive into the daily time frame right now. And some people are saying there's a wick up here to $98. Can you do that? Maybe you can do that. You never know. So, but what is important to talk about was this was the first pattern that you had. Okay, this was your resistance, and this was a pattern, and you had a technical target all the way up to $7.7. That was met. Okay, that was really met. And then you had this second pattern right here, something like this. You moved up. Now the thing with this one, the problem is that there's this one little bit of a retest that never really happened down at 9.8116, but I don't even think it's gonna do that. I don't think it's coming down there, but I think from here next week we probably might be looking for a continuation all the way up to $20, because that's the technical target out of this structure. So let me show you how $20 came into play. And I'm going to take the top to the bottom. That's where you started off. This is where you broke out of things, and you can pretty much see that that's where you meant to go. $20. And on the 4-hour time frame, another thing is you have a continuation pattern. So let's talk about this one so quickly. I think that can offer an amazing entry if you do come down to nearly 12.3. I do think you're going to actually retrace down to 12.3 before moving up there for Monday or Tuesday and then continue. So this is almost like a flag that you broke out of. And if we talk about the flag, you take the top to the bottom of the flag, and you have APT actually 4-hour time frame also shows $20.2. So basically, that's pretty amazing. I would expect a little bit of a move down first to 12.3 and then shoot all the way up to 20.6. But you never know. It's not guaranteed, but it's a good, healthy movement if you do, first of all, come down to 12 and then move higher. So that's pretty much it for this update on APT. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.